Have you ever wondered how a nuclear power plant generates electricity? Let's break it down, step by step. 1. The heart, the nuclear reactor. The core of a nuclear power plant is the nuclear reactor. Inside it, special fuel rods made of uranium-235 or plutonium-239 are placed. These atoms are unstable and undergo a process called nuclear fission, where the nucleus of an atom splits into two smaller parts, releasing a huge amount of heat energy and more neutrons. These released neutrons strike more uranium atoms, causing a chain reaction. This is carefully controlled using control rods made of materials like boron or cadmium, which absorb neutrons and slow down the reaction. 2. Heat generation and coolant flow. The heat generated in the reactor is absorbed by a coolant, usually water or liquid sodium. This coolant flows through the reactor core and becomes extremely hot. In some reactors, this water is kept under high pressure to prevent it from boiling. This hot water is then directed to a heat exchanger or steam generator. 3. Steam generation. In the steam generator, the heat from the coolant is used to convert a separate supply of water into high-pressure steam. This steam is then funneled into large turbines. 4. Turbine and generator. The steam spins the blades of the turbine, which is connected to a generator. As the turbine spins, the generator produces electricity using electromagnetic induction. This is the same principle used in hydroelectric and thermal power plants. After passing through the turbine, the steam enters a condenser, where it's cooled down using water from a nearby source, like a river, lake, or cooling tower. The steam condenses back into water and is pumped back to the steam generator to be used again, making it a closed-loop system. Safety systems. Nuclear plants have multiple layers of safety, including containment buildings, automatic shutdown systems, and radiation shielding. To protect people and the environment, control rods can be inserted fully into the reactor to instantly stop the chain reaction during emergencies. 7. Power to the grid. The electricity generated in the plant is then stepped up in voltage by transformers and sent through transmission lines to homes, offices, and industries. Thus, nuclear energy provides a reliable and low-carbon source of electricity for millions of people. Conclusion. To summarize, a nuclear power plant works by splitting atoms to release heat, turning water into steam, spinning turbines, and generating electricity, all while following strict safety protocols to protect the environment. It's a powerful example of how science and engineering come together to fuel our modern world. If you understand, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.